Okay, so here's the front brake dual bracket. These two bolts go under the dash right here. The end of this piece where it bolts up at the dash goes underneath and to the steering column where there's a hole drilled at the bottom that you can see back here. This 45-degree bracket bolts up to the bar that goes from the dash to the steering column, and then at the bottom it bolts up here on the floor back here. And then this bar right here bolted up at the top of the brake where it is right now, right up there. Now to get this off, I gotta pull this bar off the top and this bar to where I can pull it through on the other side. I'll make you another video when I get to the other side there.